Hello guys! Today I want to show you how to install VirtualBox on your PC in Windows 11. So first, head over to Google. Click on VirtualBox in search bar. Click on the first Google result. Now, here to download, just click on the blue download button here. Now, just from this list, choose VirtualBox Windows. Host packages, click on this first link. Now, I'm already downloaded. The VirtualBox, let's get over to the wallet. Open the package, click on Next. Accept terms, Next, Next. Yes, yes, click Next, and hit Install. Wait for VirtualBox to be successfully installed after the successful installation of VirtualBox. Now we can just hit Check this box to launch it. Click on Done. And now your VirtualBox has been already sold successfully on our machine to create a new image or house. Just click on Create and choose the image that you want to add to VirtualBox. So VirtualBox here will help you emulate multiple operating systems in your local machine. Like you can run Mac OS or other type of operating systems in the same local machine that you have. And that's it, guys. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.